Hello everybody and welcome here at Midwest Family Adventures. If you enjoy watching unboxing of oracle cards, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for that. So I've teamed up with friends and family who enjoy oracle cards and oracle readings, and they're letting me show their cards. So that's always fun. So this is the guidebook first. So let's see what kind of spreads it has in here, or how much you really actually need to read before starting to use it. Pretty much a nice little section here of stuff you need to read. And here starts the simple spreads of the past, present, and future, and the Celtic cross spread. We've got a hidden and revealed spread. And a few nice, this one's called the Stars of Love and spread, whenever it would most of the time usually be like a full moon spread or something that looks like that. The solved a problem spread. So it's some nice different spreads in here, and nice illustration of the cards. Not really too much color or anything, just black and white, but it's really pretty. So let's take a look at the card deck here. And so I'm just gonna let you see these real quick. I do see the numbers on the top. I was wondering where the numbers are. My sister did get a little shuffle of this to get, you know, her energy in it and get familiar with it, so she did shuffle them. So that means that I could shuffle them once on deck too. Usually I don't get to shuffle them on deck or on camera if it's not mine, because it's new and I don't want to start playing with it, even though she's probably going to go home and smudge them. Oh, it looks like Dolly Parton almost. Her name is Marie. My middle name is Marie. Abby said something about the eyes. Abby's here with us. What'd you say about the eyes, Ab? You said something about the eyes on these girls that looks like they're crying. What'd you say?
Oh, it's just the style of her art. Like, they have a little white ball of light like at the bottom of their eyes, so a lot of them look like they might be crying at first look, but I don't think that a lot of them are. It's just her style of art.
I really like the Pink Lotus Fairy. A Time for Your Spirit. Violet Angel looks pretty cool too, though. Oh, this is my card. My husband can hear me. Adam, there's a card called Storm Angel. Stormy Angel. Just a name that I've used to game with before.
Everybody steals that name.
Yeah, everybody's got that name. Woo! Okay,
no,
so...
I'm saying now they're gonna steal it.
So I don't really like the way these cards shuffle right now. Maybe it's just because they're sticky. Because they're new. They are pretty thin. They're really beautiful. I do like that about them. And I know that Lucy is... she knows a lot. She's researched a lot. She's a great author. But the artwork is done by Jasmine Becket-Griffith, so that says a lot. Well, thanks.
I love her artwork.
Yes, Christy loves her artwork. Thanks for watching, and like I said, hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell if you want future notifications of more unboxings of oracle cards. Thank you here at Midwest Family Adventures. Have a great day.